Hi there, I am Cy, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Slime All-Purpose Inflator or Tire and Mattress Inflator. It works really good. I've had it for at least 5 years, and it's saved me several times. A lot of times when you get a flat tire, you might come back to your car after you've left it somewhere and you see that it's flat, but it's not the kind of flat where you can't pump it up and get to a service station, for example. So having one of these in your car is perfect for inflating your tires in general, but also for those emergency times when you're somewhere, you find out you have a flat, you can put the air in there, and then you can get to where you need to go to before it goes flat again. Let's go ahead and just take it out of the box, and we're going to show you how it works. You can see here you've got a gauge, and this gauge is for your PSI, and you're going to watch that. You got to know what your tires need to be inflated to. In my case, it's 32 to 34 PSI for the tires, so we will watch this until it gets to that PSI. You can see that you've got this long cord here that plugs into your car port charger, and from the side here is your hose for pumping. And so we're going to go ahead and do the demo here. You would plug this piece into here, just like this, if you wanted to inflate air mattresses and things like that. And it also comes with a ball pump pin too, but we don't have that piece with us. And this is your on button, but first you have to plug it into the carport charger. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and let some air out of our tires so you can see how it pumps it up. I'm guessing you can hear the air coming out of the tires, so you can see that I have complete faith in this pump, even though I probably haven't used it in a couple of months at this point, letting the air pressure out. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the tire. You'll start it where it's open like this, and then once it's on the tire, you just turn this down like this. So here we go. And now it's ready to pump. We just have to turn the car on and push this button right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, as you can see, you just plug this right into your charging port, just like that, and then turn the car on. Press the button. I'm showing about 28 PSI right now, so I want to get it up to about 34. So I'll just go ahead and press this button. Tire pressure is about 34, so we're going to go ahead. We turned it off, and we're going to go ahead and release it. Flip the up and out, and we are done. There's also a handy light here on the side, and that light works very well. It's actually pretty bright for when you're adding air to your tire at night. And that's how simple it is to use. You can wind your cords back up, put them back in here. This little hose right here goes in the top, in this little compartment here. You can remove this top piece and make it easily store in here. See there? This just stores away in here. And the cord in here. And that all stores away just like that right in there. And then of course you can just put it back in the box and you're all set. One more thing that you might find helpful to know is that it takes about 8 minutes from a flat tire, completely flat, to completely full. So I hope you liked my review of this Slime All-Purpose Inflator or Tire and Mattress Inflator. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't